BUDSTOOLS is a professional manufacturer that integrating design, manufacture, sales, and service of high-performance, solid carbide milling tools. We are committed to providing high-quality and high-efficiency milling tools for the mold manufacturing, 3C electronics, new energy, automotive parts, aerospace, and other precision manufacturing industries. With nearly 20 years of industry experience and technical accumulation from the company's core team, BUDSTOOLS can provide customized solutions and comprehensive technical support to customers, covering many fields such as precision milling, thread processing, high-gloss surface processing, high-hardness material processing, high-temperature alloy processing, etc., to solve the difficulties encountered by customers in the production and processing process, meet their tool needs in various special application scenarios, assist clients in achieving business goals, and enhancing market competitiveness. With advanced production and testing equipment, professional technical team, perfect production and quality control system, BUDSTOOLS can provide OEM and ODM service of carbide cutting tools for our customers. Efficient milling solution provider, BUDSTOOLS.